One of the appealing aspects of owning a CNC router is the ability to take anything you love. For example, the northern reaches of Breckenridge Ski Resort, and turn it into three-dimensional art. The best bits for holding intricate detail in 3D carvings are conical ball nose bits. And now, Ultra-Shear has taken the conical ball nose bit to another level by producing solid carbide conical ball nose bits with 4 flutes instead of 2 or 3, improving cut quality and enabling faster feed rates. Conical ball nose bits excel at three-dimensional carving because the taper strengthens the bit while still delivering the same detail as a straight ball nose of the same diameter. Ultra-Shear's new solid carbide 4-flute conical ball nose bits deliver twice the cuts per inch at any given feed rate compared to 2-flute bits. You'll get smoother cuts in even the trickiest wood species. We offer these bits in 7-degree taper 1/8 inch diameter with a 1-inch cut length, 1-degree taper 1/8 inch diameter tip with an 1.5 inch cut length, and an 11-degree taper with a tiny 1/16 inch diameter tip and a 1-inch cut length. All are available individually or in 4-packs for power users. We manufacture the solid carbide conical ball nose bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear solid carbide 4-flute conical ball nose bits. The perfect bits for 3D carving on your CNC. Order yours today. Have an idea for router bits you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.